Is your Galaxy A16 screen full of smudges and fingerprints? Here's how to clean it safely and make it shine like new using WHOOSH Screen Shine. WHOOSH Screen Shine is one of the best-selling screen cleaners on Amazon, and for good reason. It's non-toxic, alcohol-free, and safe for all types of screens. If you want your device to look brand new, this is the go-to solution. You'll need WHOOSH spray and the included microfiber cloth. That's it. No harsh chemicals. Turn off your phone to avoid accidental touches and see the dirt clearly. Spray WHOOSH onto the microfiber cloth. Now gently wipe the screen in circular motions. Take your time, especially around edges and corners. Use the dry part of the cloth to buff the screen. And boom! No smudges, no streaks, just crystal clear glass. You can also use WHOOSH to clean the back of your phone and camera lens. Just wipe gently. Keep your Galaxy A16 looking fresh. Like and follow for more easy tech care tips.